Looks like Emmy's here, staying night with Grandpa. Hey, buddy.
Hi, Grandpa.
Hey, what you got there?
Yes, it's a suitcase.
It's a little bit different than the one you came over here last time.
Yeah,
right?
I think it might have gotten switched for someone else's at the bus stop, so I might as well see what kind of clothes I have now.
Yeah, maybe you got some old gal stuff.
Yeah.
Huh? That'll look good. We could probably use that for dress-up time on videos.
Yeah.
Let's go
it's
check
a
it
little
out.
Heavy though.
Is it?
Yeah, it's weird.
Let's go check it out. All right, so what's the deal? You say that it's heavier than what it was at the bus stop. What'd you do? Did you put it down?
Yeah, I did. And then someone sat right next, not next to me, but at the seat across from me.
And they had the same suitcase as yours?
Yeah.
Sure. Okay, pop it open. Let's see what's going on. You gotta let you do this. Don't you know how to open up your own suitcase?
No. Oh, no.
That is not like underwear and a toothbrush.
Well, what am I supposed to wear?
I don't know, but let's look a little closer here and see what's going on, all right?
These controls, for knobs, this one says speed, this one says intensity, this one says volume, and this one says tone.
So what do you think that really is in that suitcase?
Something that involves music.
Yeah, like maybe a little guitar amp. And it
Maybe?
appears as though it has a built-in speaker. So I'll tell you what we're going to do. Let's pop it open and see what's inside, because that'll tell the true story, right?
Right.
Right, too. All right, let's see if I can pop it out. Funny thing is, I noticed here, Anna, it says D-Lab Electronics on it.
I know.
You know
Maybe one of your customers bought this and I took it back. Oh well, looks like we'll have to sell it again.
Or maybe this is another LeisureSuit amp by D-Lab Electronics. I used to make these in the past. I don't know if you remember them. There were some brown ones, right?
Nope, don't
Okay,
remember.
good. No, I really didn't do it. But look at there. It just pops right out. You got a wood frame in there. Okay, pretty cool. There's the back side of it. So yeah, it does have a built-in speaker. This says Ampex 517. So that's probably out of a 1960s speaker cabinet, I would think, since that's where I got it.
I wonder where past D-Lab got that.
Who knows? I don't know, but check it out. So it's got 3 tubes, 6AV6, that's the tremolo, 12AX7, you know what that is for, right? Sure you do. Preamp, and then 6AQ5 is the output tube, and it goes to that transformer, and that goes to the speaker. Super cool, point-to-point wired. So now, what the main question is, she forgot her line. What does it sound like? Go ahead and say it like you're really...
What does it sound like?
That was super believable. Alright, so we do have the D-Lab QuickSilver Suitcase amplifier. Has built-in tremolo with a foot switch on this one. You can see it right there. Power switch, input, and an 8 ohm jack, so you can hook up an external speaker and it turns off the internal one. Right? You've seen the case already. Let's flip it around and I'll show you the inside of the amp a little closer. Alright, back side of the amp, we do have a vintage 6x9 Ampex speaker, which is hardwired into the main amp, but this jack here actually switches it out of line when you plug in an external 8 ohm speaker. Got our tube line up. The tube sockets, kind of hard to see under there, but they are old porcelain type with the silver contacts. Very vintage, point-to-point wired. There's your power transformer, and the power input on this one is an IEC jack with a fuse holder on top. Really fit in here slick. Alright guys, I've got Tony playing my newest suitcase amp, okay? It's a cool old vintage, I think it's TownCraft is the name of the suitcase, built in the 1960s. And I built this cool little Class A amp in it with a 6AQ5, and it runs an Ampex 6x9 speaker built in. So I'm going to let Tony shake it down, alright? So he's going to tell you that this thing sounds like crap on the 6x9. Yeah, okay. But when we hook it up to the external speaker, it'll blow your mind, alright?
Sounds great.
Alright, man.
Right? It's got kind of an interesting sound.
I like those terms. All right, dude. Let's hook it up to the external speaker.
Let's hook it up to the external
All right, so
speaker.
once again, you know, the internal speaker is kind of a novelty item, right? If you're sitting on the side of the street trying to make a few shillings, right?
There you go.
You got like a dog laying next
There
to you.
you
His
go,
ribs are
man.
showing, man. You got some pencils you're selling. All right, whatever, man. All right, let's hook up to the external speaker. Like I do that.
Oh,
So
faithful.
we plug into here, and that turns off the internal speaker. So here is the real amp. Tremolo time?
Yeah, tremolo.
All right, man. Well, I'm you know, I'm operating the camera, man. I can't do it all.
It's killing me. Not bad sound for your grandma's suitcase, huh? Sounds pretty cool.